In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a police report in the Waze app. Now, we'll be going through this step by step so you can keep yourself and other drivers informed while on the road in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. First things first, make sure your Waze app is open. It's important to do this while you're driving because it helps ensure that the app captures your current location accurately. A quick tip here, consider setting your smartphone on a holder for easy visibility and access. Safety comes first, so ensure that you're not distracted from driving while using the app. Once you have the app open, take a look at the screen and focus your attention on the orange triangle with a plus sign inside it. This is the report icon, your gateway to sharing vital road conditions with the Waze community. Simply tap on this orange triangle, you'll see a series of options pop up. These options are designed to make reporting easy and seamless. Amid these options, look for the one labelled police. Selecting this will allow you to report any police sightings. Next, after you select police, you'll be prompted to choose between two more options, visible or hidden. So what do these mean? If you can clearly see the police car from the road, select visible. However, if the police car is tucked away, like behind a billboard or in a hidden spot, you should select hidden. This distinction helps other drivers to have an accurate understanding of what to expect. Finally, after you have made your choice between visible or hidden, there's one more important step. You need to tap send to report it. This action is what makes your report available to other drivers using the Waze app. Your report helps provide them with timely and potentially critical information, which can make their journey safer and more efficient. Now let's sum up with some quick reminders. Always prioritize safety. If you can, make use of voice controls if your device supports it to minimize the manual interaction needed while driving. Remember, your input not only helps you but contributes to the broader community of drivers who all benefit from shared information. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you're ready to inform other drivers about police sightings using the Waze app. Your contributions help create a smarter, more informed driving experience. Thanks for joining us today, and safe travels.